Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai elite visas and retirement visas. And I recently received a comment on our channel, and quoting directly, could you cover if it is cheaper to buy an elite visa or an O-A retirement visa using a good lawyer, ? Thanks for the shout out on the lawyer part there. Tip of the hat to you, sir. Okay. First of all, let's clarify one thing. You don't buy either one of these visas. You apply for them, and there are costs associated therewith. For example, you do pay a membership fee to be part of Elite, but that membership fee is not for the visa itself. The visa is it's a perk, if you will, of membership in the Thailand Elite system. Now, to provide some clarity on this, there's a recent article from Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, Thai Elite Visa Gives the Retirement Extension a Run for Its Money. Quoting directly, this is a really good article. I urge people to go check out pattayamail.com. The Thailand Privilege Card Company has now stepped up its recruitment campaign to try and attract long-term retirees in addition to frequent visit business people. The latest promotional material for the Elite Visa emphasizes that applicants don't need general medical insurance, which is required, quote, for the retirement visa, end quote. And I thought that provided some insight there. Yeah, in Thailand Elite, you're not dealing with the insurance requirement directly. As we've noted in other videos on this channel, at the same time, depending on your circumstances, if you're in Thailand and able to extend your status an O retirement visa as opposed to OA status, if you're able to apply for an O extension and retirement status here in Thailand, you may not necessarily need insurance either. So there is that kind of mitigating factor. But yeah, when you're looking at this again, and I know I sound like a broken record to frequent viewers, but it's going to be very fact specific to your given case. There's going to be different people that are going to have different travel and different cost benefit analyses when they're looking at this overall. You know, folks, candidly, it could be something as down to earth, if you will, as how close you live to the immigration office. You know, here in Bangkok, I know, going to Chiang Watana can be a real chore in dealing with things associated with extension. However, folks that may live just, a few doors down from immigration in Jomtien Pattaya, it might not be, that big a deal. The other thing to bear in mind is, in the sense that the Thailand Elite Visa is 5 years, in the sense that the sticker validity is 5 years, the actual status one gets at any given moment will be a 1-year stamp. So it's not like once you're in Thailand on Elite, you just have a 5-year stamp. No, you have to either deal with extending your status, sort of rolling over to the next year, and that requires some affirmative effort on the part of a given individual, or, which is very similar to, I should say, retirement extension status, but it's a different process. It's not a matter of proving anything up, so to speak, with respect to finances, possibly insurance, etc., but it is a matter of having to go to immigration and deal with that extension process. There's a lot of factors to consider. The Thailand Elite cost for the membership, the minimum cost for membership just went up in 2021 from 500 to 600,000. That's something to be factored in. I'm not trying to be in favor of one or the other, but the purpose of this video is that different calculations are going to apply to different people. I do know people that are very happy in Elite, and I know people who were not overly happy in Elite. It didn't really fit their purpose, and when it came time, they went into retirement status instead of Elite. So it's going to be different depending on the individual concerned.